Now, boys, signs that we do zurück with Shichaim Weiss and Home Outlets. We did it last year, and Baruch Hashem was a major success, selling hundreds and hundreds of fridge and freezers as low starting price as little
$2.99.
$2.99 to $4.99. Guys, you want to see what's so special right now? I think there are literally 60 to 70 to 80% off. Let's start with this French style fridge and freezer. Regular price is $10.99, $4.49. Look at this, brand new stuff. It's $4.99, $4.99, $4.99, $4.49, $4.49, $4.99, $4.49. Everything brand new. You can choose which color you want. You see, it has even the handles. You can choose if you want a gold handle or for a silver handle. Guys, this is breaking, okay? We have one piece, $2.99, regular is $21.99. I asked the fragen, why is this so cheap? Look at this, small little dent over here in the scratch. That's why it's $2.99. We have one piece left, andere dan is gegangen. $4.99, $4.99. Oh my God, water. $4.49, regular price, $17.99. Look at this, stainless steel, has two freezers on the bottom. Unbelievable. $4.99, $4.99. Oh my God, water, sehen wir do titzig. Look at this, you can have huge freezers, fridge and freezers, top and bottom, side by side. Let me show you this one. $3.99 fridge and freezer, $3.99 a bissel hecher, $5.99, $5.99. This is the cheapest. Du hast a freezer, $2.79. Look at this, brand new. Shichaim, was das so läuft aus? Bekommst du noch Truckloads?
Wir bekommen jetzt schon noch 2-3 Truckloads von dem. We're gonna have all kinds of pricing.
But the color code suche.
Color code suche,
exactly. Ich habe was get the companies, also the company Frigidaire, also the company LG, $4.99, company LG. Get the Geschmack companies and get the deals. Look at this, $4.49. Wie hast du das gesagt? $17.99 regular. This is perfect for Pesach. Kick to $5.99, 20 cubic freezer. Look at this for the company Frigidaire. Brand new. And there's a feather special. Shichaim with the feather special.
Wer sind Menschen Feather, bei kommt das für
$5. Look at this. Ich habe nicht vergessen, some of the aluminum couches, $3.99. This F-Truft our bed. This is $5.99. Unbelievable. Guys, we deliver all over the tri-state area. All you have to do is just call into our phone number 732-575-7319. Call, WhatsApp, text, mit is delivering.
Ephraim, das nur wissen, die alle couches are in a company called Thomasville, most of them. They're very, very high end.
Anai sagt du bei Home Outlets, we verkaufen du electric scooters, electric bikes, starting from $3.99. Guys, check it out. The address is 1740 Lakewood Road, Toms River, New Jersey. Hotzbrala, Agitten, and Geschmackentug.